Nothing complements a meeting and events venue more than the community that surrounds it. The USF Health Morsani College of Medicine is the pinnacle development in downtown Tampa's Water Street district. The 13-story building serves as the central location for the University of South Florida's medical and pharmacy colleges. Restaurants, attractions, public spaces, and other exciting activities are all within walking distance to the venue. Your attendees will not be searching too long to find something exciting to do. Directly across the Morsani College of Medicine is a TECO-lined streetcar stop offering transportation to the center of downtown Tampa or Ybor City. Along the line, riders encounter more fun activities such as Amalie Arena, Sparkman Wharf, Tampa River Walk, and all that Ybor has to offer. For those who are in town for a few days, they will find hotels meeting all budgets within walking distance. Allow the USF Health Downtown Events team to discuss other exciting opportunities. To start planning, contact the USF Health Downtown Events team online and complete the Plan Your Event section, or call 813-224-7847.